Okay, so I accidentally forgot my regular moisturizer at home and I was not happy about it. And honestly, I will tell you if you have dry, sensitive skin or acne prone skin and you want something that feels gentle and easy for everyday use, this might be a good one for you to look at. So I ended up choosing this one, had it shipped to me overnight to try because I thought, you know what? If I forgot my regular one, I might as well try something new, right? So I've actually been using it all week. This is the ADM Omega Multi-Ceramide Face Moisturizer. Yes, that's a mouthful. The first thing I noticed is how lightweight it feels when it goes on. It goes on really smooth and it has that nice kind of soft dewy finish without feeling greasy or heavy. I want to show you how it comes out close up. You want to see that? It's very lightweight. It makes my skin feel just comfortable right away. It almost feels like cooling when I'm first putting it on. It feels very hydrating, and I feel like it helps to support that skin barrier too, not just providing you moisture. It has ceramides and omegas, and it also has something called tremella mushroom, which is to help lock in moisture. So if your skin feels dry or a little off, or you just want something that feels comforting before you put on your makeup, because that's what I've been using this for, this is a great option. It's also fragrance-free, alcohol-free, paraben-free, which makes it good for your skin. If you have skin that tends to be more sensitive, you don't have to worry about those things being in it. So I also like, if you look, it really soaks in pretty quickly. And I think it's one of those good layers. You can have this underneath your makeup. And I haven't had any problems with pilling, which is always a good thing. It does have pomegranate and vitamin E, which I love for extra skin boost. If you're looking for a lightweight daily moisturizer that feels gentle, hydrating, and comfortable on the skin, I would say this is one to check out. I actually have used it even in the evenings because I forgot my moisturizers totally. I've also been using it before bedtime and really like the way it feels. So if you are looking for a new moisturizer, this is one to check out.